It can be really frustrating when you are not able to lose weight. You may have tried everything and still nothing seems to work. There are many reasons why this can happen. In this video, we will explore some of the reasons why you might not be losing weight and what you can do about it. First, you're not eating enough. We all have those days when we're so busy we don't have time to eat. It's not a big deal, right? Wrong. If you're not eating enough, your body will start using muscle as energy. This is bad because muscle burns more calories than fat. You'll end up with less muscle and more fat, which means you'll burn fewer calories. And if you're trying to lose weight, this is the last thing you want. Try to eat more. Even if you can only manage to eat a piece of fruit or a bowl of cereal, that's better than nothing. Second, you're eating too much sugar. If you eat too much sugar, you will not lose weight. Sugar is a carbohydrate that your body breaks down into glucose and fructose. It is found in many foods and drinks including fruit, honey, milk, yogurt, some vegetables, and grains. Sugar makes you want to eat more because it contains a lot of calories but doesn't fill you up for long. Eating too much sugar can lead to weight gain because it increases the risk of obesity. One of the best ways to reduce how much sugar you eat is to cut out or limit sugary drinks and food. Drink water instead of sugary drinks and eat less things that have added sugar in them. And drinking water can also help you lose weight. Water has 0 calories and will keep your body hydrated, which helps with weight loss efforts as well as your overall health. If you need flavor in your water, try adding a slice of lemon or lime or some fruit like strawberries or cucumbers to it. Third, your metabolism is slow. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat into energy. Your metabolism determines how many calories you burn each day, which in turn determines whether your weight goes up or down. If you have a high metabolism, you'll burn more calories than someone with a low metabolism. There are many ways to increase your metabolism and lose weight. One way is to eat healthily. Start by eating a high-protein breakfast. Protein helps maintain muscle mass, which will help keep your metabolic rate up and increase your calorie burn throughout the day. Protein is also essential for building and repairing muscles after a workout, so if you're trying to lose weight, protein is an essential part of your diet plan. If you're not sure where to start with protein-rich foods, try oatmeal with egg whites or Greek yogurt with fruit for breakfast. Grilled chicken salad for lunch. Fish or lean meat with vegetables for dinner. Besides eating a high-protein breakfast, you should eat more fruits and vegetables. This is one of the most important things you can do for your health and weight loss goals. Fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytochemicals, and other nutrients that are essential for good health. They also have fewer calories than most other foods, so they're an easy way to cut down on calories without feeling hungry or deprived. Plus, they taste great. Besides eating healthily, alcohol is the most common cause of weight gain, and it's not just the calories. The more you drink, the more your body will produce fat cells to store alcohol. You don't have to stop drinking altogether, but reducing the number of alcoholic drinks you consume per week can help you lose weight. If you're drinking a lot every day, then try cutting back by 1 drink every 2 days or so and see how that goes for a few weeks. Alcohol also has a tendency to make people eat more, so if your goal is weight loss, it's best to avoid it altogether. Another way to increase your metabolism is exercising. It is important to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. If you are not doing this, then you are not getting the benefits of exercise. Exercise helps you lose weight, have more energy, and live a better life. A good idea is to start small. If you are new to exercise, then you can start with just walking for 30 minutes on a regular basis. The best time to exercise is first thing in the morning. This is when your body has not been used for many hours and is therefore ready to work. You can also exercise later in the day if you have a busy schedule, but it will be more difficult because your body will be more tired from working. Besides eating and exercising, sleeping is also important when it comes to metabolism. The less sleep you get, the more your appetite increases. And the more your appetite increases, the less weight you lose. In fact, a study found that people who slept 5 hours or less per night had a harder time losing weight than those who slept 7 hours or more per night. This is because when we sleep, our body releases human growth hormone, which helps us burn fat and build muscle. And when we don't sleep well, our body produces cortisol, which makes us hungrier and slows down our metabolism. Finally, try to stay positive. Losing weight is a difficult and often frustrating process. It requires a lot of discipline, patience, and self-control. But it also requires something else: positivity. Positive thinking is a crucial part of weight loss. It can help you stay motivated and focused on your goal, to lose weight, even when you feel like giving up. When you start to lose hope or feel discouraged, think about the reasons why you wanted to lose weight in the first place. What it will do for your health, your appearance, or how it will make you feel. Then use those thoughts as motivation to keep going. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. I will see you next time.